So now we're going to talk about maximums and minimums. So when we have a quadratic function, it graphs to be a parabola. It might graph to be a parabola something like this. And then right down here would be the vertex. That would be the minimum value. So we're saying it's the lowest point on the graph, okay? Now let's say that that vertex is, I don't know, 2, 4. Then the minimum value is 4. That would be the minimum value. And what we're saying then is the lowest output you could get would be 4. So you can put in all kinds of x values. The domain for x is all real numbers. So you put anything in, but the lowest output you would get is 4. And we would call that the minimum value. Okay, now if I have a parabola that goes like this, and it's upside down, then the vertex is right here, and this would be a maximum. Okay, so say the point is, I don't know, -3, 9. Then the max value is 9. So we're saying you could put in any x value, but the highest value you're going to get out is 9, okay? All right, so what they're asking for when they ask for a maximum or minimum value is they want you to find the vertex, okay? All right, so now in example 10, it says find the maximum or minimum value of the quadratic function. All right, if it's right side up, it's going to be a min. And if it's upside down, it's going to be a max. So we can tell by looking at the quadratic function, if a is positive, then it's going to be right side up. So this one's positive, it's going to be right side up. So it's going to have a minimum value, okay? Now, to find the minimum value, we have to find the vertex. So we're going to say x is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. So in our case, that's going to be the opposite of -8 over 2 times 1, which is going to be 4. Okay, now that's not the answer. That's the x value. Okay, that's where the minimum is going to occur. But now we have to find f of 4. So we get 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 12. And sometimes these numbers get really large or really small. That's okay. We have a calculator. So 16 minus 32 plus 12. So what's that? 28 minus 32. So I'm getting a -4. So not too big of a number or too small of a number. So the vertex, they don't ask for the vertex, but the vertex is at 4, -4. We know it's a minimum value. The minimum value is -4. So the min value is -4. It occurs when x is 4, but that's the minimum value. That's the lowest output you're going to get is -4.